If you look up, just got on the train to head to Taipei, and it's always quiet on the train, so I have to be really quiet. Yeah, I'm gonna do some work on the high-speed rail, try to get that down, and then so when I get there I can just hit the ground running, do what I need to do what I want to do. So, yeah, next up, Taipei. Just got into Taipei and hopped in a taxi because my phone doesn't work without Wi-Fi right now, so it's kind of hard to navigate the city, at least at the time being. When you first get to a city, it's hard to do. So I just hopped in a taxi after a brief translation error. We got it, we're going, awesome. So I should be at my hostel probably 10-15 minutes at most. And from there, I'm gonna go explore the city. It's a little rainy here, which kind of stings because Taichung was really beautiful this morning. A little cool and blue skies, but here it's kind of cloudy and a little misty. But make the most out of it, make the best of it. So I'm excited to be here. I'm happy to come and explore the city and can't wait to see what we do. Alright, now I'll get to my hostel. So I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I just got here and it doesn't even look like a hostel. It's just this door with a sign that says doorbell. If you look at that. But then they have this sign. And like me, if you don't have a SIM card, you can't call anyone. And now I gotta wait like 6 minutes for, I guess, the doorbell to work. I'm not sure. I told them I would be arriving at 8. It's almost 9:30. So I guess I just gotta wait. So I just got to the MRT. I gotta figure out how to get to the 101 building. But this is my ticket. I bought 4 of them. I don't know why I bought 4, and I don't know for how much exactly. But yeah, this is. I'm so confused on what I'm doing down here in the MRT. But I need to find a map and figure this out because I have no idea. Well, so I made it. Look behind me. But it's absolutely raining, so I'm not even sure if I'm going to even pull out the DSLR right now or even go up to the top, because if it's raining, that means that it's just all in the clouds, so it just might be one big cloud. But I'm here, might as well do it, see how much it costs, and then probably do it. I don't know, let's go. Alright, so I'm in the 101 building now, and if you can look behind my shoulder, there's this perfume shop. High-end something, they have like a modeling, you take pictures of it, it's super weird. I transported into this upscale consumer mall, essentially, just all high-end stores and whatnot, and I definitely do not look like I belong here one bit, and it is funny to me. Especially now I have a big camera that I'm holding up to filming myself. It makes it more funny. So, I had to try to find the observation deck. I probably went the wrong way, but hop on an escalator. Just trying to make my way to the roof, I guess. Yeah, it's really cool. Everyone told me, like everything I looked up said you should come here, see the observation deck, and see all of Taipei. But I'm not sure if you'll be able to because it's raining, so who knows. I don't even know if it's even worth it to go up there, but I'm going to do it anyways. I want to do it, but the visibility is 15 to 0% with a high probability of 0%. So what's the point of spending 600 NT if you're not going to see anything? Yeah, I'm going to go try to find a good picture of it outside and take some pictures of it outside. Okay, now to me it looks really clear. If you look up, like you can see the top, so I don't know what they're saying, 0 to 15%. What's there to lose? Let's do it. Let's go back. So I just got up here, my ears just popped. That elevator was really fast. I don't have my mic on because it told me I can't have my mic on for some stupid reason, whatever that is. So yeah, like the amazing view, I feel like I'm in the mist. get out, it's longer than the line to get in. And it only took, what, 41 seconds to actually get down from up there, which is crazy because it was super high. I don't know the exact number. I can find that out for you and put it right below. That was really cool. Other than the clouds, now I'm gonna go find some food because that's what I need, food. So heading back towards where my house is, because there was like a little street right behind it where there was a bunch of food places, so I'm gonna try checking out one of those places. Now it's food time. Alright guys, so I just got out. I went back to the hostel. It was raining, stayed in for a little bit, did some work, changed my clothes. Now I'm back out to get some food and to see what else is going on, but the weather is still kind of crappy, so I'm not sure if I'll be doing that much. So I was hungry and didn't know what I wanted, so I went to a buffet that was close by and just got a bunch of meat and some rice because I'm pretty hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my dinner, which looks really good. Well, that was okay. Not the best thing I've had in Taiwan. Probably actually one of the worst meals I had in Taiwan, but I don't know. It's alright, it wasn't that expensive. But it did fill me up. Decent amount of rice. Definitely filled me up. So I'm gonna get a drink of some sort and then probably go back to the hostel and crash because I am super tired and I need to wake up really early. So I guess I'll leave you guys here. See you next time. Bye.